Introducing Mapsly, a powerful customizable map for Salesforce. Mapsly allows you to view and edit your objects like contacts, companies, prospects, deals, and any custom objects on the map. Split your data into layers with custom markers. Draw your territories or build them out of counties or postal codes, and have Mapsly automatically assign your records to them. Search for local prospects by keywords and create CRM records with this data in a few clicks. Automatically calculate traveling distance or time between any records, and find best matching records based on custom criteria that may also include traveling distance and time. Your objects are automatically plotted on the map based on their addresses, and you can click on a record on the map to see its data. If you already have GPS coordinates in your records, you may use them instead of the address. Customize map markers and select fields, including custom ones, to be shown in marker labels and points pop-ups. Adjust map transparency, map tiles, and point clustering settings. Build isochronous lines of equal travel time from a base location. Use dynamic layers to split records of an object into sublayers based on certain criteria. Dynamic layers are grouped into layer groups, so you can switch between the groups to view your data from different perspectives. Dynamic layers may have their own map markers, so you can use them to colorize your accounts based on their account type or any numeric metric. Mapsly can also automatically generate map layers based on unique values of any data field. In addition to dynamic layers, you can create dynamic filters and apply it to a layer to remove records that don't meet the filter's certain criteria from the layer. Edit your records right on the map in the Records map pop-up. Mapsly pushes the updates to Salesforce immediately. You can edit all fields including custom ones and lookup fields. Mapsly can automatically save GPS coordinates of your addresses back to your CRM, as well as a correct address determined from those coordinates. This allows you to automatically correct possible errors in your addresses, fill in missing parts like zip codes and counties, and automatically geocode them into coordinates in your CRM. Use Mapsly to find local prospects. Just enter desired keywords into the search bar and click Find Prospects, and Mapsly will show you local businesses that match your keywords. You can then create records of any object in your CRM based on this data, with adjustable field mapping. In addition to plotting your records on the map, Mapsly shows them in a tabular format. Use the mode selector to adjust how table data is synced with the map layers. The table can show all records, or only records that belong to the currently visible map layers. This mode also accounts for the applied map filters, or only records in the visible part of the map. Mass edit your data in the table view by selecting the fields that need to be updated and entering their target values. You may also mass update all records in the table at once. Select a base point, and Mapsly will calculate direct distance to all other points across all objects, so you can easily find points within a certain distance using the table filter in the distance column. Use this feature in scenarios like finding closest clinics for a patient, potential employers to a student, or dealership to a potential buyer. You can also use Mapsly's automation to calculate traveling distance or time between your CRM records, and entirely automatically find records based on custom matching criteria and ranking formula that may also include traveling distance and time. Use Mapsly to build optimized routes with points automatically rearranged to minimize drive time. Optionally, you may indicate the time of departure, the means of travel, and the truck parameters like weight, number of axles and trailers, and many more. You can also save routes and load them later. Use Mapsly to draw your territories on the map or construct them by selecting provinces, counties, or postal codes. Have Mapsly automatically assign your records to them based on their locations. Assigned territories will appear in the Territories field that exists in every object in Mapsly and will be automatically saved to your CRM records to fields of your choice. Press the Try for Free button to sign up for a 2-week trial, or click the Chat button to talk to our engineers and find out how Mapsly can help your business.